good evening from a very, very hot Cape Town. Spirit wants us to know that we're feeling like something's lacking in our lives. And they say that what we must do is drink more water and eat foods with water in them, like fruits and vegetables. They are aware that we're waiting for news or something to come our way. We must just be patient, stay rational, and trust that the victory will be yours very, very soon. And they want us to surround ourselves with love. And go on a vacation if you can, even if it's just to spend the day at the pool on your own. There are solutions happening all over the world, and it's success that comes from objective and compromise, self control and patience, and forgiving and healing energy. It is a change for the better. We've addressed a lot of our own issues and we're now open to receive, and the divine is here to provide us. We must just be patient. Be playful and uplift yourself. The most difficult part of the situation is over and your path ahead is illuminated. Follow your own light. Take care, or we will have a loss of material wealth. But there is absolute happiness coming into our lives, and new prospects, new opportunities all coming in. We must just relax and be patient. And they say we've gained the confidence that we need. Don't be afraid to talk up for yourself. And your loved ones say your wishes are coming true. What your heart has been longing for is getting closer every day. Thank you very much for listening. Have a lovely evening. Night, night.